Do you like sports? Do you like reading? Do you like surfing the internet? This kind of question is very common in the IELTS speaking test part 1. It often starts with do you like, but it can also be do you enjoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to answer these types of IELTS speaking part 1 questions. The main thing you need to do is answer directly and then imagine that the examiner is following up with the question of why or why not. How you pronounce your answers is also worth 25% of your IELTS band score, so make sure to stress the direct answer first. For example, do you like sports? Absolutely. Sports are a great way to stay in shape. You hear there the pronunciation? Absolutely. It was stressed. Absolutely. Sports are a great way to stay in shape. Do you like reading? No. I find it difficult to get lost in a novel because I get distracted easily. Do you like surfing the internet? Occasionally, but I like to limit my screen time because I have an addictive personality. So what we did there, we answered directly, absolutely, no, 100%. We stressed that direct answer and then we imagined the examiner asking why or why not, and then we gave that reason. However, it's also good to add a little bit extra. To add a little bit extra, you could give an example or give a preference for something you do like. For example, do you like sports? Absolutely. Sports are a great way to stay in shape. I enjoy playing team sports such as football or rugby. There you're giving an example and you're signposting your example with such as, which means an example is coming. Do you like reading? No. I find it difficult to get lost in a novel because I'm too easily distracted. I prefer reading short form content like blogs or Twitter threads. Do you like surfing the internet? Occasionally, but I try to limit my screen time because I have an addictive personality. I do like to watch educational videos though, and I subscribe to Smash Exams IELTS. So do you, right? Go on, subscribe. To recap, to answer the IELTS speaking part 1 questions, you need to give a direct answer and stress that direct answer. You then need to say why you like or you don't like what your answer is. And then, if appropriate, or if there's enough time, you can give an example or a preference. Here are 2 more examples with sample answers of do you like type questions for the IELTS speaking test part 1. Do you like dogs? Yes, they're so loyal and cute. I had a bulldog when I was younger and he was my best friend. No, I'm a little bit afraid of dogs. I prefer cats because they're a little bit less aggressive. Do you like living in a city? 100%. I love that there's always something to see or do. If I'm bored, there's always a new restaurant opening or a new film that I could go and see at the pictures. Not really. It's too noisy, which makes it hard for me to concentrate. I prefer more rural places to live because it's a bit quieter. I'll go at this question in the comments. Do you like swimming? Do you like this video? If you do, you don't need to answer in the comments. Just hit the like button. It makes me stupidly happy. Good luck, watch this video next, and smash those IELTS exams.